Well, the outlook for this year is looking positive. If you look at we've got oversight for the next 6 months. A number of large transactions are in play or just being brought to the market. So this is a lead on from last year where we had a peak year for the Czech Republic and for the region, to be honest. Almost back at peak levels of 2006. So solid performance is expected. That's the sentiment. There are a number of large international players looking at the Czech market and the CE market, Poland, Romania, Hungary, Slovakia. To some extent, some of them are looking at Bulgaria as well. So there's positive news so far. There is a little bit of uncertainty on the horizon for the reasons that we all know. We've got the Brexit vote coming up in the UK, which will create some uncertainty, and for the period leading up to that will create uncertainty. And then we've had, as you know, numerous sound bites out of China about how their economy is performing, which we can't ignore. It has some impact on our economy in Central Eastern Europe. And immigration crisis, refugee crisis from Syria, unfortunately for those poor people, and less unfortunately for us, I would say, that also has an impact on uncertainty again, as you know. So these things combined make people a little bit nervous, and you would be folly not to pay heed and some credence and keep a little bit of an eye on some of those factors outside the CE.